Well, we know the bullseye is really on western Oklahoma, not only this evening, but into the next few days. There is an Integris facility out near Woodward that's also, they're just watching it real closely, considering evacuations there. What are some things that our viewers can do, particularly in western Oklahoma, to make sure that we don't make things any worse?
Well, first off, I mean, that's why we prepare for these things, and that's why I've got the forestry groups trying to get those lines set so they don't get into the major populated areas. But I think they've burned 15,000 acres so far, and so that's why I was in the emergency management system, just making sure everything was working correctly. They've been prepared. That's why we've already have assets up there. We're moving more assets from the eastern part of our state up there. They're preparing an emergency statement for me to make that will unlock other requests from other states to help us if this continues over the next few days. But the middle part of our state could be experiencing some heavy fire dangers because of the humidity's going down, and then on Thursday, even over to the eastern part of our state. So we're watching it closely and just keep praying that it doesn't hit some of these major communities, and that's what we're fighting as hard as we can, getting all of our fire hoses pointing in the right direction.
Governor, you've been talking about it already, but what's your personal message to the folks who are in the way of these fires, or maybe tomorrow even? What can you tell them?
Well, obviously, if you get notification to get out of the way of the fire, don't be a hero and try to stay. You need to, we can rebuild things, but we can't replace loved ones. And I know the livestock and the ranchers out there are, opening gates and moving their livestock out of the way as well. So that'd be the message: is just, hey, listen to our the experts, and let's make sure that we are evacuating areas in front of those big fires, because it can move quickly. We saw that last March. We had some unprecedented fires across our state, and we made some changes to make sure that we can get assets quicker on these fires. And so very, very optimistic that we're going to be able to, it won't be like last year.
Really appreciate you calling to check in, Governor. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you all for having us.
You bet.